In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book train tickets online with Ixigo in 2025 with a simple step-by-step guide. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or it's your first time booking a train ticket online, these instructions are designed to make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's dive in. Firstly, open your web browser and go to ixigo.com. It's important to ensure that you're already registered on the site. Registration typically requires your basic information like your name and email address, and if you're not registered yet, make sure to complete that step through the website's registration page before proceeding. Registering ahead of time will make your booking process smoother and faster. Next, once you're on the homepage of Ixigo, look for the Trains tab and click on it. This section is specifically designed for booking train tickets and will provide you access to all the necessary search filters and options related to railway bookings. Now on to the most crucial part, entering your travel details. You'll need to input the departure city and your destination, along with the travel date on which you wish to depart. Ensure the details are accurate. This helps the platform retrieve the most relevant train options for you. Don't forget to specify if you're booking a one-way journey or if you need a return ticket, as this could influence your result set. Once that's done, click on the search button to view all available trains for your selected route and date. This will display a list of trains with their respective timings and available classes. It gives you a chance to compare various options and schedules. With the list in front of you, select the train and class that best fit your travel needs. Here you can decide based on factors such as travel time, train facilities, and of course, ticket price. Choosing the right class can greatly enhance your travel experience, so take your time to consider what suits you best. After selecting the train and class, it's time to enter the passenger details. You'll need to fill out the full names, ages, and any relevant identification details of each traveler. In many cases, an identification number is necessary for booking, so have that at hand to avoid delays. Finally, proceed to make the payment. Ixigo supports various payment methods, including digital wallets, credit, and debit cards. Simply choose your preferred payment method, enter the necessary details, and confirm the transaction. Check that all your booking details are correct before finalizing the payment to ensure there are no errors. And that's it. You've successfully booked your train tickets online with Ixigo. Remember to save or print out a copy of your ticket for your journey. I hope this guide makes your next train booking process a breeze. Happy travels!